In this video, I will show you how you can change the action of the action button on your iPhone 15 Pro and the Pro Max. Now to change the default action of the action button, as you can see our action button is set to enable or disable silent mode. But if you want to change the action of the action button, just go to settings and under settings you will find a section called action button. Now just tap on it and in this section you can swipe to the left or to the right side and you can select an action for the action button. As you can see, you have the option for silent mode, focus mode, and many other options like the torch. Now, after you select one of these options, now if you press and hold on the action button, you'll perform the action which you have set. In our case, since we have selected the torch, I can turn on or turn off the torch using the action button. And also you can select any other option like voice memos. Now after you select voice memos, you will be able to record a voice memo using the action button. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.